Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about the relationship between credit score and mortgage. So before understanding that, we need to know what is a mortgage. A mortgage is a type of loan used to purchase or maintain a home, plot of land or other types of real estate. The borrower agrees to pay the lender over time, typically in a series of regular payments that are divided into principal and interest. The property then serves as a collateral to secure the loan. A borrower must apply for a mortgage through their preferred lender and ensure that they meet several requirements, including minimum credit scores and down payments. Mortgage applications go through a rigorous underwriting process before they reach the closing phase. Mortgage types such as conventional or fixed rate loans vary based on the needs of the borrower. What is a credit score? Your credit score or rating is essentially a picture of how reliable you are at the borrowing money in the eyes of a particular agency or lender. Your score is improved by positive actions such as regularly paying off loans on time, using a credit card sensibly. Meanwhile, it's adversely affected by negative actions like missing payments and going over your agreed credit limit. So far so obvious, however, none of us has a universal credit score as each lender interprets our history slightly differently. Most use similar criteria to assess how good your credit history is, but what is considered a major negative by some might not be so harshly treated by others, and vice versa. What is the minimum credit score I need to get a mortgage? There isn't a set number that will automatically make you eligible for a mortgage. This is partly because getting a mortgage depends on how much more than your credit score, and partly because agencies and lenders may use wildly different scoring systems, so the numbers simply aren't comparable. That said, it's always the case that the higher your credit score is, the better are your chances of securing a mortgage offer and getting access to attractive interest rates. However, if your credit score isn't considered at least decent, it's likely you will struggle to get a mortgage. What is considered a good credit score? Each CRA assesses your credit history a bit differently and uses a unique scoring system. Here's a rough guide to what three biggest consider a good credit score: Expertion, TransUnion, Equifax. If you're looking to access the very mortgage rates, you should try and bump your credit score up to excellent category. How can you boost your credit score? There are one-off actions that can improve your credit score, such as registering yourself on an electoral roll and clearing errors on your credit report. Have a careful long-term credit use is more effective way of improving your credit score. It's easy to think that never taking out a credit card would show you are good with money, but can actually lower your credit score. That's because lenders don't know how reliable you are going to be with repayments, as there's no record of your ever borrowing. If you are looking to improve the credit score, try spending and paying off a small amount each month on a credit card to show lenders you can responsibly manage your credit. Prioritizing paying off debt to improve your debt income balance. Make sure you know when payments are coming out and always having enough money in your account to cover them. Closing any old credit card accounts you are no longer using. Having too many open will make it look you are relying on credit too much. Encouraging your partner or spouse to work on credit score too. Are there any mortgage providers that don't use a credit score? There are mortgage providers that will accept customers with poor credit score or negative marks on their credit card. For example, how many years of credit do I need to have a good credit score? Mortgage lenders will typically look back over the last 6 years of your credit history. If you are young and only have a couple of years credit to examine, lenders may be more cautious to lend you. However, there is no set time frame that will automatically boost your credit score.